How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Hyundai Elantra. Pretty simple door panel take off. All you should need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a pick, and a plastic pry bar. For the rear door panel, we're just going to have only one screw holding it in. There's going to be a little cover with a little cutout. You kind of just stick your pick in there, pry it up, and that's going to show the only screw holding the door panel on. So we'll go ahead and take that out. Next step is going to be, there's a little cover over here. Just go ahead and grab that plastic pry bar. Just a couple little clips holding it in place. Now that we have our screw off and our cover off, we can go to the bottom side of the door panel. There is a little cutout down here. Sometimes you can get lucky and put something in there. I kind of just like pull it back with my hand and kind of make some room. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I have going on here. There's a little cutout. You kind of just weasel your plastic pry bar in between the two. It's super tight, so you might have to use your hand and actually pry out a little bit just to reach something in there. But that's what I'm working with, just to show you guys. Once you get it in there, just pry out. You should be able to get the rest by your hand. Work our edges. Alright, now that all the clips are popped, we should just be able to wiggle it up. So there's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Same process. We're just going to take our covers off. This time it's on the front. Just kind of pop it free. Just like one extra clip on the front door. You are going to have a screw on the side of the door. It has a little cover on top of it. Just kind of use your pick, weasel it in there. Pop the cover free. And then the same cover as the back door, just in the grab handle. Pop that out. So now we'll go ahead and get our two screws out. Alright, now that we have our two screws out, we can grab our plastic pry bar. Once again, find a little cutout. Weasel your pry bar in there. Use your fingernails if you have to kind of pry the door as much as you can. Work your edges. And then before you guys click off the video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the wiring harnesses for this front door panel. For the door handle, it's going to be like a little blue clip, or this one's actually orange. But you just kind of push this in, and it kind of slides forward like so. As for the other stuff, like the tweeter, just a little push pin. If you guys aren't too familiar with these, it's just, you just push it down, weasel out just like so. And then you're going to have two more on the bottom side for the window switches down here. So yeah, that's how you take off the rear and front door panel on a Hyundai Elantra. Thanks for watching.